How to add music to WhatsApp status. So if you want to add music to WhatsApp status, then you won't have an option on WhatsApp. What you need to do is open up your Instagram, go for the plus, go for story, and you can simply take a picture or something as a story. Once you've taken, go for the music, which is on the upper right, and you can add a music. So for example, I'll be adding a music, and once you've added the music, now go for done, which is on the upper right, and here you will have your music. Great. So once you've added the music, go for the share, go for the upper right, which has that three dots, and tap on save. And you need to save that on your gallery. Wait for it to save. Once the video has been saved, you need to go back. Once you open the WhatsApp, you can go for the updates, and here you need to go for my status, and you need to upload the video which you have just saved from Instagram. So go for the gallery and choose the video which you have just saved, and you need to post that on your story. So that's the only way to post or add music to WhatsApp status. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.